Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today, I want us to continue with our Sepedi lessons, where we'll be looking at word of the day. And today's word is Ngwana, which means child. So I'll be creating few sentences using the word Ngwana. So please practice along with me, learn to pronounce them, and try to use them on your day-to-day conversations. So without any waste of time, let's start. Child, Ngwana, 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 Ngwana. It's a child. The child is crying. Ngwana o Allah, Ngwana o Allah, Ngwana o Allah, Ngwana o Allah, Ngwana o Allah. Ngwana is the child. Oa is la is crying. Ngwana o Allah. Who's the mother of the child? Mmago ngwana ke mang? 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 Mmago, the mother. Ngwana, the child. Ke mang, who is the mother of the child? Mmago ngwana ke mang? Breastfeed the child. Nyancha ngwana, nyancha ngwana, nyancha ngwana, nyancha ngwana, nyancha ngwana, nyancha ngwana. Nyancha, breastfeed. Ngwana, the child. Nyancha ngwana. Give the child food. Efa ngwana dijo. 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 Efa, give. Ngwana, the child. Dijo, food. Efa ngwana dijo. What is the name of your child? Leina la ngwana wa gago ke mang? 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 Leina is the name. La is ngwana, your child. Wa gago means yours. Ke mang, what is? What is the name of your child? Leina la ngwana wa gago ke mang? I have a baby girl. Ke na le ngwana wa mosetsana. 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 Ke na le, I have. Ngwana, a baby. Wa mosetsana. Mosetsana, it's a girl. Ke na le ngwana wa mosetsana. Leave the child to go and play. Tlogela ngwana a sepele a ye go bapala. 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 Tlogela, leave, ngwana, the child, a sepele, to go, a ye go, and bapala is play. Tlogela ngwana a sepele a ye go bapala. My child knows mathematics. Ngwana wa ka o tseba dipalo. 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 Ngwana, it's my child. Ngwana wa ka, it's my child. O tseba, knows, dipalo, mathematics. Ngwana wa ka o tseba dipalo. Thanks for watching. That was all for today's videos on the word Ngwana. Thank you for watching. For more videos, go to Code Switching 2020. Thank you.